Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Baby Yanti. I am 27 years old. I am from Karawang of Java, Indonesia. I was born in Jakarta on 19th of February 1997. I am Muslim. I am single. My height is 161 cm. My weight is 67 kg. My last education senior high school. I cannot eat pork, but I can handle pork. I am not afraid of dog. I care. I have experienced law before in Jakarta 7 years. Since 2016 until 2022. My job taken Trema, baby, cleaning the house and cooking. I can cook Chinese food like steamed fish, steamed egg, fried fish, and fried noodle. I want to go Hong Kong because I need to earn more money for family and my future. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye bye.